Shooter Bones here, aka the Midnight Ace. Right about now, we're going to play the inside numbers. We're going to start off with $300. Alright? I'm trying to work on my audio, so I'm hoping that the audio is a little bit better on this one. I'm going to try and speak clearer. Thanks for the feedback, everybody. And here we go. Here we go. Start with 25 on that. I'm going to play conservative on this game. Let's go for the all tall. For all of those, I'll play with you that play the all tall. I'll play with you. Yola, I didn't get the 11. I still got it there. And got 25. So, since we made 25, we're going to put a little extra on there. There we go. Let's hit that yo again. Nina, 9. That's the 5, 4, 9. That's the 5, 4, 9. Alright, we said we're going to play some inside numbers. We're going to do we'll do 60 on the 6 and 60 on the 8. And we'll do 15 on the 5. And the 5. 15 is going to get me 21. Use the back block. So we'll go. There we go. Oop, not that 5. 8. 8 is going to get me 70. Or the 60 is going to get me 70. We're going to bump up that 6 and 8 to 90. Oh, we already got it on, okay. So we're doing good now. We're doing good, birdie. Hard for the hard way. That's the little ballerina. The little ballerina. 2 2s. That's why they called it the little ballerina. Fever. It's gonna give me 21. You know what, boy? We'll do the ace. Why not? Ooh, 4. Little Joe. 3, 1, 4. Nina, winner. 9 for the win. I'm going to put that there. Okay. Now that we got that 9 out, these are off, of course. And 9. We're right back on that 9, huh? Right back on it. We'll do the 8. Let's do 6. Why not? 3. The shocker. And that's going to be 75. I'm going to take those in nickels. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Can we do that again? Let's do it again. 3. I should have doubled down and I didn't. Do that there. Another one. All right, so now we got the comeback. Or not. 12. Midnight. I'm liking this one right now. And I lose that, but I won that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's doubled on that. Oh, I actually won on that. So I'm picking up stuff. Alright, so that's 150. I'm gonna do quarters on that one. Well, let's put that back there. Oh man, we need that 10. Come on, 10. Let's do it. Hard 6. It's going to be 70. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 on that. And we're going to take this down. And that's 200 on that. We're going to do, I said 200. I mean 50, excuse me. 50. All right, let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. Got to bet on that midnight ace. Oh, and the 6. Oh, come on, we need to deuce 10. Come on. And 7 out. Well, we were rolling for a minute. Had those insides going. Yeah, we made a couple bucks on that roll. That's fine. Let's see what the next shooter got to do. Next shooter. Next shooter. We'll do 50. You know, I like to, if you watch my previous videos, you know I like to cover everything. Well, on the come out roll anyway. Then after that, you know, we play according. 8. The chocolate cake 8. 6-2. Okay, so we're going to do, I always do this, so why not now? I'm going to go 150 on that 6. And we're going to go 50 on the 5. And that'll be our 9 right there. That'll be our inside number. Nine, wow, and I called it. Should have just played it. All right, got one more. It's 5, so we're gonna do aces. Aces. take the 8, winner. It's going to be 50 on the hard 8. So 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 50 on the hard 8. Let's do it. 10. Where were you at, 10? 6, 4, 10. I was looking for you a couple of rounds ago. So we'll do 8. Let's do right. I'm not getting change right now. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 150 on the 6, 150 on the 8, and 50 on the 5. Hard 4. For the hard way. And that 8 is going to be 40. And yeah. Oh. Fever. There you go. All right, come on, man. We gotta hit those 6s and 8s. 6s and 8s. I said 6s and 8s. And we hit the 5 again. All right, come on. 9. Oh, sorry. The one inside number I'm not playing unless everyone play inside numbers. And 7 out. You know what? We're gonna call it. Even though, you know, we're walking away from the table. We're not walking away empty-handed. We're just walking away with a loss this time. Normally I like to walk away all or bust. But now we're going to run away to live a better day. That's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but we're walking away with $1.55. We lost half our money. I mean, not bad considering. It really isn't. When normally, you know, we kind of go through all of it. But I hope you made money, even though I lost money. And be kind out there. Be mindful of people around you. You know, everybody needs some room to throw those dice. Take care of your pit bosses. Take care of your waitresses. And, of course, take care of your dealers. And take care of yourself, because you are a legend and you have a 50 roll day.